Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing good. As per the picture, what I share with you, okay, I want to tell you something because some members they just message me, they are not able to control their loss and they are a bit confused about our break even, what we mentioned, and loss side holding and telegram message reply. Actually, I'm first of all, I'm very thankful for that. Who are facing some kind of issue, better please communicate always. And for sure, we are here to support you because as we are doing many things, we are expertise these things. But everything detail by detail, we cannot share for sure because market is high volatile things. Some case we cannot share because if I start to share things, we definitely we can miss our entries. So for you guys it's easy, as if you are doing jobs and if you are not able to go with the proper timing, then it will be easy. What is entry I'm giving, just easy to blindly follow that one, because to do the trusting, as you guys know, I have different time frames here. This is I'm looking for 4 hour time frame, and this is the lower time frame 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute I'm switching, and here is the 30 minute. Here is the main detail I go with. Then here is the reactions I find, and here is the 4 hour I'm keeping to understanding the trend and the current market structure in investment type. So what I want to tell you here, you can see in the picture there are rejections started from here. Why? Because there was a consolidation in this range. After that it breaks, it retest, and the new structure, this is the previous structure and this is the new structure. Okay, the structure high and structure low, and this green candle is the reversing, like the candle closure here, and it break and it start make a new volume by side. So this is the candle we need to consider as a demand zone, and the rejection will go to the resistant point. So last we sell from here also. What I want to tell you, when multiple rejection happen in a zone, once it's break, it shows like market trying to push the price upwards. Okay, so in this case lower time frame, there is a retest immediately, break, retest, and here we are looking for buy for sure, because it's a equal rejection part is very sure. If market has the same interest, of course it will come to retest in higher time frame. This retest will be in higher time frame. In the higher time frame also market consider the buy side. Then here is our predicted entry once the, especially this candle closed when the price reach on the zone. So here is another confirmation. Actually market is, there is a slight interest to push the price up. So here we enter. Okay, so when we entry, we buy in the zone 40, 30. I hope you remember I given zone from 40, and we will add layer from 39, 37. So this is the zone what I mentioned. So once we start entry from here, then we got a 40, 30 pips movement. Okay, so when the price start push up, it's our part to make the entry safe. When we get a push up, we need to consider this zone, because I given 39, 37 range zone. So we do have safe side to keep our SL on the entry point or just below at the 37 area. Okay, so in case price not push up, if it is fake, this is we call fake out. In case price fake, then either it will come and close in our break even, or after we book 30-40 pips, of course we collected some profit. Then when we keep entry at SL at 37 also, if it is hit, even it will it's also called break even, because when it come and hit like 10-20 pips, then of course we will close some layer in loss, but we already closed some layers in profit. So profit plus loss, even it's called it's break even. Okay, in another case, here as I draw the demand zone, here also we got a confirmation the demand zone is strong. So this is an indication. But here in the buy candle start push from the upper side of the zone, and here is the lower side of the zone. Okay, so when market come back on the upper side, here is the first entry buy side we given 2018 range, and we got a push till 27, like some 50 60 60 70 pips movement. After that, here is the reason I ask to add low risk layering in this zone, because in the zone is big. In the same method, when I ask to buy 2018, then some cases it goes little bit down in the lower side. That is the reason some cases I'm asking to add a layer from bottom or at the SL point. If market support from the zones, when we add a layer, then when it come, there is a two chance can happen. Either the demand zone will work and it continues push up to the opposite side. As you can see, the fake out area, it's a demand to supply zone traveling. So this is some case I'm asking to add a layer in the case. If once we add layer, when it comes, it may close the candle here and it continues sell side. So in this case, what we need to do when it come in overall profit or to the upper side zone, there is our time to reduce our risk, then holding with the lower. This is one example. So every time whenever I say to buy or sell, there is a potential reaction can be happen. So rest is our safety. Actually, this is market purposefully doing this kind of things. This because in higher time frame, whoever buy from here and here, and in overall frame, they keep SL, they keep their liquidity here. So when it breaks, market purposefully they do to come in the demand zone and grab the liquidity and continue to the new direction. Once it's break, this trade will close in the zone, then we can expect a continuous movement into the side. Here is our last sell trade just now in 29.33 range. Why I need to why I share the signal, because of the rejection area. So we got some movement like 120 pips or whatever, and after that it again break. So that's why it's pushing up. So I supposed to give a buy signal from here, but I'm preparing this video. Okay, in some case, here is a fake out, here is the rejection starting, rejection, support, rejection. So this is the zone, first rejection. When the price come into the same zone, then we are looking for sell, because when market will break after 2 to 4 touch or 3 to 4 touch, minimum 2 of course, 1 2, but in the lower side 1 2 3 4, or 1 2 3 in the lower side. As you can see here, once it's break, it retested in the same lower side zone and it drops. So in the second time or third time, when it come and touch in the zone, we will have to look for the rejections actually. So when we start entry our zone, it goes little bit up, or it's just fake. So that's why we are asking to add a layer from little bit upper side. So once we add layer, if it is supportive, then for sure we can close with a very good profit. But if it is keep continue, then it fake and it goes. So in this case, everyone has to look for safety with the stop loss. We are giving 50-60 pips stop loss, so respect on it. And for sure we are giving another signal as mini signal as a recovery. Everywhere we can see the rejection and fake. There is a small fake outs happen. So this is why I'm giving layer adding setup. Okay. Then how to hold the trade. Holding trade with our break even, our old screenshot we can see, when we hold with break even until the next opposite way, like supply zone and demand zone. From supply zone rejection it goes to demand zone rejection goes to supply zone. Once 1 to 2 touch finish and we draw the demand zone actually with some details. Okay, this is need to learn little bit in a detailed way. For sure, who are interested to learn some things, for sure we can go with it. Once it's break, immediately retest and fly. So careful about trade by yourself. And whenever I give signal, for example, by yourself, as you can see, multiple rejections are there. If I decide, if according to the technical, if I find a potential sell from this zone you can see it's 410103 actually 98 is 98.97. So I supposed to give a signal 97.99. We are giving signal in 20 pips. So once it start rejecting from this zone, for example, maybe 20-30 pips rejected, again it's come back to the zone. So if you keep break even exactly the same, of course it will come and hit. Then when I start placing screenshot, I have 50 pips, 100 pips to 200 pips, but your trade already closed here. So in this case, in first initial time when we have a 20-30 pips rejection comes, our SL, our stop loss has to be in the nearby the zone. When I give a zone, you guys have to understand that is the potential zone to look for sell or buy. Okay, then we can keep your SL not exactly in the entry point. Okay, if your account is small, if you are unable to do more things with a small capital, then for sure you can keep your entry point SL. If it is come back, if you book a little bit like 1 or 2 layer and come back and hit your break even, it's okay. Or if you want to hold some trade with the manageable risk, then you need to keep your SL exactly the zone. Okay, I'm giving always signal zone lower to upper and bit more also. If this one 97, then this 98, 99. That's why most of the signal is dropping from the first price. Some case it goes and dropping from the upper side. So that's why we are keeping mostly our entry layer at the top, remaining all whatever we are closing. So we don't want to come back and hit break even again. We will book everything. We will keep only the upper layers like this. So when the moment is start, we can, if we hold, we can catch more gains. Examples are like this. One more example I'll show you. Here is the another consolidation. Here is the rejection, break, retest. So this is the area. Here we need to look for buy. In case not respect, we add layer and we try to catch it. And here also you can see, I show you the current structure. When it break, when it retest, if market interested to buy, then for sure it will continue, or it will fake and go to the demand zone, then it continues. So these are a bit tricky. Market will try to do something in a purposefully. So what we need to do when we entry from here, for example in the zone we enter, once we get a push, we need to keep our stop loss at either in the zone below or the entry point. It depends on your capital size. Let me know if you understood these things. If not, if you need more technical things, what is your exact problem you are facing, then just let me know. This is 1-2 member, they just asked me about the detail to how to follow proper way. That's why I'm making this video. If you have any related technical issue to following my signal or any other things You can just communicate with me, whatever possible I can share with you, I can teach with you. Okay, don't be hesitate. Okay, I'm always considering you are my valued member, and you are considering as like a good mentorship from my side. Then no need to be hesitate to ask anything. Okay, it's your chance, it's your choice. Okay, let's communicate, let's be strong in the technicals and everything, and let's start again very soon. I mean, if you are not clear with the technicals, once you understood, then for sure you will start gain according to the clarity.